routine becomes lifestyle, right? So when you start to do these routines and these practices consistently across the board, it's going to show up in every aspect of your life. Good afternoon, informed beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to two-strand twist my hair. You guys can obviously see my braids are not in, but I have this little ponytail on, and so I'm just going to two-strand twist my hair and pin it up for the rest of the week. Today is Monday, so that it's just out the way, and then probably figure out what to do with my hair later on. But while I'm doing that, I want to talk to you guys about the importance of having a routine. You guys know I'm on this elevation of my life journey, and a lot of you guys from my comments are on the same journey, the same lifestyle move, and so I really want to keep this ball rolling, and I really want to not just put the fire underneath my own butt, but under you guys too, and that motivation to know, like, we here, I see you. I previously tried to film this video a couple of days ago while taking down my braids. It was a complete fail, so we're gonna start all over again. If you have not checked out my last couple of videos with what video was that? The talking about the reason why I'm doing the elevation of my life movement, or sorry, while I'm doing the elevation of my life journey, and also my fitness goals and all that, I will link the previous two videos down below for you guys. We talked about all of that and, you know, the reason behind it. So let's talk about why it's important to have a routine in your day-to-day life. If you're wondering where this ponytail is from, I wear it a lot. You guys probably seen me wear it in previous videos. It's from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. It's a regular ponytail. It comes with the clips and the drawstring. I like it because after a while it starts to look a little like matted, and I actually really like that look. I'm like for it to look more natural than overly curly, because my hair is not really overly curly. But I'll leave a link down below. This is in a number 4, but I'm gonna end up throwing this away because it is really like looking really too matted for me, and that's not what I want. So I throw these away. It was really cheap, probably like 20 something bucks or whatever, but I'll leave a link down below for you guys to go and check that out. And then the products that I'm going to be using for my two-strand twist today is the Cantu Shea Butter Coconut and Curl Cream. I like this product. There's one more product by them that I really do enjoy when it comes to my hair. I'm just going to be using a rat tail comb to part and some pins when I'm done to pin it up. And then of course ponytail holders to keep everything in place. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's get started. Let's talk about routine and why it is important in your day-to-day life. So routine, first off, my personal experience, I have struggled with routine a lot. And I mean, when I'm talking about routine, I mean more so like you get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, you eat your breakfast, you work out, you meditate, you know, just the routine that works for you. You know, things that make you feel more structured in your life, more organized, more balanced, all that, you know. And routine looks different for everybody. It is not the same across the board. Some people are early risers. Some people decide to stay asleep a little bit longer. Like, you have to figure out the routine that works for you and your lifestyle. Because what I may do and a single mom of 4 kids may do is 2 different ball games. You know what I mean? So it's really about finding out, when it comes to your routine, what is realistic for you. So for me, example, I like to get up at about like, I want to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. That is the ultimate goal. But I get up at about 7 o'clock is when I get up, and that is when I would start my day. My routine pretty much goes something like this. So it's pretty much like breakfast, making my bed, writing down the things that I need to do for the day, structuring my day, and then starting it. So my routine so far is also praying. I've tried to be better at praying in the morning when I first wake up. Talk to God first, you know, thank Him, show gratitude for what you do have. That has been something that I've been getting better at. So that is pretty much what my morning routine looks like, okay? two things that I want to really get down pat is a morning routine and a night routine. Night routine more so as like a wind down, you know, where you actually take the time to like reflect on your day. You do something that is self-care, whether it's like a face mask or a bubble bath, you know, just some way to begin your day and end your day, and let it be more so all about you. And so I'm trying to make sure I stay focused on this, and I want to be very clear in how I'm talking about this, because y'all, sometimes your girl can bounce all over the place, okay? And I'm just pretty much finger parting my hair and just twisting it. I'm not going to really be using a comb too much. It's not really needed when it comes to the two-strand twist game, okay? When you're setting goals for yourself, when there's something that you want in life, right? Whether it's you're going to school and you want to get a degree, that takes for you to have a solid routine. You got to study, right? So if you got to set time aside to study, because even though you go to school, you still have a life. You still have work you have to go to. You still have maybe children you have to take care of. You still have, you know, you want to go out with your friends and all that. But business has to be taken care of first. You know, your routine is just something that keeps you focused, it keeps you guided, and it keeps you grounded. Even though personally for me, I'm not the best at routines, what I learned or what I see from sticking to a solid routine is that life just flows a lot easier, okay? And at the end of the day, I can look back and go like, okay, I got XYZ done. I feel good about it. And whatever I didn't get done, I can switch it over till tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? It's more organized. I don't feel rushed with anything. I don't feel like I didn't get anything completed today or anything like that. Like, I just feel like, okay, we took care of what we need to take care of, and now it's on to the next day, the next task, all of that. So how would one go about setting up a routine? I guess we can jump into that one, right? And there are tons of videos you can watch on YouTube talking about like how to start a routine or how to stick to a routine. But my first thing would be to look at your life. Like I said before in the previously, look at your life. How would a routine and what type of routine will work for you? You know, and be realistic. Don't try to watch any of these YouTube videos, my 4:00 a.m. morning routine, and you know you're not no early riser. Don't play yourself like that. You know what I'm saying? Be very realistic with what your routine consists of and what you're willing to do. I also feel if you want to be an early riser with your routine, slowly fade into it. Don't just become an early riser off the back. No, start off with your 7:00 a.m. rise. Get a hold of that routine and then step into getting up at 5:00. You know, it's going to make it a lot easier, and you just won't, it's more realistic, I feel. You know what I'm saying? It's more realistic. So when setting up your routine, the first thing you need to do is just really figure out what works for you realistically and stick to that. And go slow. You don't got to jump into it. Do one or two things in the morning that consist of your routine, and then add to it as you go. Everything that you do that is new, you just want to slowly go into it. You know, you want to make it to where it's a realistic and easy transition. And you know what they say? They say it takes 21 days to form a habit. So if you're sticking to it and it becomes a lifestyle of you like sticking to a routine, adjusting your routine, but having a routine in your day, it'll become second nature to you. Easy peasy, lemon freaking squeezy, right? So definitely just being realistic as to what that routine looks like, and what it is, and how to tailor it to your needs. Okay? What makes it, I feel, easier to stick to a routine is to always keep in the forefront what you want or what you're doing this routine for. Okay? If you're trying to get more structure over your life, for example, like if you just want more structure over your life, you want to be able to, or if you want more, how can I say this? If you want more structure in your life or more discipline in your life, or you want to be able to stick to your goals or accomplish something and that requires you to get up in the morning a little bit earlier, or just getting control over your life, keep that in the forefront when you are thinking about your routine, and even when it comes to you having to knock out tasks, when it comes to your routine. Okay, when you think about the end game, you keep that in your front of your brain, or you keep that in your vision, it's going to push you, propel you to go, okay, no, we gotta get up, we gotta get the day started, we gotta do this, do that, because we got money to make, or we got moves to make, we got things to do. When you keep that in the forefront of your mind, it makes it so much easier and so much more motivating for you to move forward. Okay. And honestly, you guys, routine becomes lifestyle, right? So when you start to do these routines and these practices consistently across the board, it's going to show up in every aspect of your life. And this is why when I'm talking about this elevation, this self-elevation for me in this journey that I'm on, it's the things that are going to not just be for the moment of now, nor in a moment of one area of my life, but across the board. These things can change. This will change your life. I'm changing up the way I talk, remember? These will change your life. They will make a difference in your life. A routine will make a difference in your life. It will make you more structured. It will make you more focused. It will make you more forward moving in the things that you want out of life, okay? Just like if we're going to talk about skincare, because you know on this channel we talk a lot about skincare and how I push and say having a skincare routine is so important. And I know I kind of like choke you guys with that. Like I drill my clients, I just say skincare routine is so important if you want to see the results. Same thing with the routine of your life. It's important that you have a routine. It's important that you get up, that you meditate, that you cook yourself breakfast, that you plan out your day, look at your goals, knock out the things that need to be done. Just really have a structure to your life so that things can smoothly flow. You know, when your life is chaos and all over the place, it's never a fun situation. You know, and I always say avoid stress when you can. Stress is never a good thing. So avoid stress. And the best way you can avoid stress or lessen stress is to be more structured in your life, right? I mean, things happen, whatever. You know, you're going to have moments of stress. That's just life. But if you can definitely do better with your routine, then, you know, it adds greatness to it. So if you really want to talk about like what kind of routines one can have, it can be nighttime routine, morning routine. Mainly there's a lot of like beginning of your day and ending of your day routines, and that's because it helps you to begin your day, and routines help you to end your day. And routine can be structured more so across the board, from like your personal care, so like meditating in the morning, throwing in your fitness, eating something healthy, to more business, you know, sending off emails, going to a business meeting, getting ready to film YouTube videos. Like it can be in any form, and it can mesh into any form of your life. Okay, so if you don't have a routine, start one today. And I will do a routine video in the future for you guys. I'm still like mastering mine in a way, kind of, sort of, but becoming more consistent with my routine as well, and just really sticking to it, you know, and trying not to become unfocused. But definitely I would suggest to watching like routine videos on YouTube. Those always get me hyped. Whenever I feel like I'm like off of my game, I pop on a routine video, like morning routine, night routine. I watch somebody else's and I'm like, yeah, I'm motivated. I'm motivated to do this, you know. But my camera is like overheating, so I'll be back to finish off this hair with you guys and talk a little bit more about routine. So hold on. Alright, you guys, I am back, and my two-strand twists are complete. My two-strand twists are complete. So I was gonna pin these up, but I actually want to stretch them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them into some ponytails to stretch them. So anyways, I don't know where we last ended off when it came to talking about routine. I was just kind of talking. And I'm just gonna put my 2-strand twist into 2 ponytails to stretch them. So pretty much, you guys, if that's like the importance of a routine and why you should make sure you get one in your life, and also with me being on this journey of elevation, it plays a major role in if you're trying to get structure over your life, your day-to-day, when it comes to conquering what it is that you want from your goals. So definitely get you a self-care routine in your life. It does not hurt. Perfect. And I'm just going to 2-strand twist these all the way down. And at the end of my hair, just keep them together. But anyways, yeah, you guys, so that's my little talk on routine and why is it important in your life, in your day-to-day, to make sure that you stay on track with things that you want out of your life. It's kind of self-explanatory, you know. I try to be just to the point when it comes to a lot of these conversations because they're not that intricate, you know. Like, it's really just the simple things, you know. It's the simple things that you can add into your life that make a difference within your life, okay? So let's go ahead and let's twist up this other side. So before we end this video, I want to know down below in the description, not the description, oh my goodness, in the comment section, what is one of your favorite like routine things to do? Like, do you have a set routine for yourself? Are you still building one? What it is that you guys have going on. Okay. All right. So that is my hair that is going to be stretched. And then tomorrow I will take it down. I'm just going to tie it up and call it a day. My little pigtails. But yeah, you guys. So that's about it. So let me know down below your routine. What routines do you have? All that fun stuff. And then if you guys want to see a routine video from me, let me know. And I will definitely do one. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. All that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video.